Welcome to Cedar Creek Dental. This is our guest reception area, and this is where our patients can hang out until it's time to be taken back for their appointments. And we also have a refreshment stand to enjoy. So this is where our guests are greeted by one of our team members on the way in. And then in this area, on your way out, another team member will check you out. Okay, so this is our consultation room. This is where the magic happens. This is where we will go over your goals and treatment recommendations, and you will let us know what you want to do and how you want to move forward. So I just wanted to point this out because a lot of people probably just walk right past this when they come in. But this is actually a very thoughtful gift from my consultant, Jamie. And what it does have on here, it's map of the area back in the day before it got really developed, and if you look closely you can see all sorts of little family plots and farms on here. It's pretty cool. All right, so fun fact, I actually took this picture myself. This is one of the horses that I used to show and had a pretty successful year on, as I am an avid hunter jumper rider. So one might wonder, are these old dental torture devices? They are not. They are actually horse bits and a tack box, and they came from the old farm that I used to ride at in Buffalo. I went home into the basement and pulled out some of the bits I remember as a kid. So this is our dental laboratory where we make any in-house appliances for our patients or make any adjustments to existing appliances. So this area here that it's kind of empty is planned for our last treatment room, and we are looking forward to growing and expanding. Okay, so this front room is where we do most of our sedation cases. It's a little bit more private, and it's a little bit larger to accommodate any of the extra equipment. So this is our sterilization area where the team members make sure that all of the instruments we use are clean and safe. So these are a couple of our treatment rooms where we do most of our procedures. So this is our pantograph room where we can get a whole lot more diagnostic imaging for your treatment planning, especially if you are in need of tooth replacement options.